Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make Thai desserts. This one is the favorite one, is a Thai coconut rice custard recipe, or in Thai we call
It's delicious
Khanom
and
Tuay.
easy
To make with a balance between a sweet palm sugar, flavor bottom, and a salty creamy coconut on top. Let's start with the bottom layer. Put the rice 55 grams and 2 tablespoons of tropical flour. And we're gonna use palm sugar or coconut sugar for 125 grams. And then we're gonna add some of the coconut milk and knead it. We just put a little bit from the 200 grams of the coconut milk and then increase a little bit and knead it in continuous. For this step that we need is help for desserts is more sticky. We need about 3 minutes to 5 minutes. And when it's homogeneous like this, and then we add more for the coconut milk until it's complete 200 grams. And after that, add 200 grams of the water and mix it well. The next step, we're gonna strain the mixture to remove any crumbs. And this is finished for the bottom layer, and the next is the top layer is the coconut milk layer. In another medium mixing bowl, add the coconut milk 300 grams and 4 tablespoons of the rice flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and half teaspoon of salt. Then stir together until it's combined, and then send this mixture to remove any crumbs. And for this step, we gonna add the color. You can add in the water in the first step, or just add now or for the bottom layer. In the steamer, pour the water into the steamer and wait until it's boiled, and then press all the small bowl inside the steamer for 4 or 5 minutes so that is the bowl are hot. This will help you remove the dessert from the bowl later when finished. And then we're gonna add our mixture into the bowl. And steam the bottom layer mixture on the high heat about 10 minutes. And after that we're gonna add the coconut milk layer or top layer on top and continue to steam another 10 minutes. And now it's ready, just let it cool down, don't remove it now because it's difficult to remove when the dessert is cold, and remove it. And now we can get our dessert, it's so nice and so beautiful. You can serve with the coconut on top or coconut on the bottom like this. It depends with what you like, but the originally is the coconut milk layer is on top. So I hope you can give this try for this recipe. Is the few ingredient and it's very easy, not very complicated for this recipe.